This is our Jojoba Boost Super Antioxidant Repair. It's a restorative blend to protect, repair and soothe skin exposed to stress and environmental damage. It supports healing, fades the look of scars and stretch marks, and increases skin elasticity for a smoother, firmer complexion. Key ingredients are our Wadi Wadi Jojoba, our liquid wax ester with vitamins A, D and E, and omegas 6 and 9. Powerful antioxidant to heal and hydrate the skin. Then we have Astaxanthin, one of the world's most potent antioxidants. It's 6,000 times more potent than vitamin C to repair oxidative stress on the skin. It supports skin repair and improves elasticity. We also have Rosehip Oil. We have 37% of Rosehip Oil, which is rich in omegas 3, 6 and 9, and also has vitamins A, D and E. It helps fade scars and stretch marks and gives a nice smooth skin texture. It also promotes collagen production. Rosehip oil also is anti-inflammatory and it helps with redness in the skin and also stops the itchiness in the skin for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. How to use? Use just 2 to 3 drops on a clean skin after your serum and before your moisturiser.